To show mode and routine shortcut in the app screen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap the three vertical dot icon at the top right and then select setting. Next, tap the gray on offset next to show mode and routine on app screen to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will add a shortcut to mode and routine in your app screen so that you can easily to access and manage your mode and routine. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.